Hello, my dear friends. Thanks a lot in taking your time and visiting my channel. This video is a little bit different from the usual painting videos which I post for two reasons. A, this is the first time I'm doing a voiceover for my video, and B, it's not a usual painting video which I do. It is a small, not haul video, I would say. It's small walkthrough into the store which I had been to in order to do some purchase for myself. So this is the Itsy Bitsy store which is in Bangalore. For those of you all who do not know what a Itsy Bitsy store is, it's a huge art and craft supply store in India. They have their branches in different cities all across India. You can go and check out their website itsybitsy.in in order to find out the store which is near to your location. And don't worry, even if they do not have a store in your location, you can might as well purchase from itsybitsy.in, their online website, and avail the same discounts whatever they are providing in their store, which you would be shortly seeing in the video. I plan to keep experimenting my content. I plan to bring in, of course, the painting videos which I do, and along with that I also plan to bring in more such shopping videos and more such walkthrough videos exclusive to art materials. If you like this video this time around, as it's a first experiment for me as well, please do comment and let me know if you would like to see more such videos from me in the future. So this was the glitter section. So if you're someone who does lot of modern abstract work, then you would need a lot of glitter and all for your purpose, right? So there was lot of wide variety of glitters, crystals and other foil flakes in gold and silver, copper, etc. available in this section. So if you're also someone who does lot of resin art, then I think this was a very intriguing section because such a wide variety of offering whatever it had. So here comes the stencil section. If you're someone who does lot of stencil art, then the store was offering a very wide variety and also a good discount. I think it is the best time for you to check out. As you can see, it was available in all sizes. Small, medium and large size stencils was there, and wide variety of selection was also there. It was on an offering of buy 3 at 20% off. There was a huge selection, I must say. So this was the craft paper section. It was on a flat 30% off. Your different glitter papers, etc. was available here. Here comes the section of silicone molds and clay molds. It was available on a flat 10% and 20% off. If you're someone who is interested in doing a lot of resin art, then there was a wide variety of selection in the silicone mold section for you. Lot of silicone molds in different sizes and shapes was available. So for a person who does lot of DIY art, and if you're interested in buying these wooden sticks in different shapes, sizes and colors, that was also on a good offering and good discount, and a broad spectrum of selection was available for you. If you're interested in doing resin art, then these shells, etc. comes lot handy to you. So that was also on a good discount. As you can see here, this was some of the art supplies. So this is the Camlin oil pastels. Camlin was on a flat 10% off. This is a 15 shade box. They also had 25 shades and 50 shade options as well, and all of them were on a discount of flat 10%, as you can see. So there was a wide variety of selection, I must say. So these are the pot acrylics from Fevicryl. They also had pot acrylics from Camlin brand as well. There are a lot of options in poster colors also. So if you're a beginner, I think this is the best way to start learning painting. There were cone liners which is available. I have one of my tutorial wherein I have filmed using the cone liner, which will be coming up shortly. So these are the paints from Camlin brand. They are 40 ml tube bottles. They were ranging from somewhere around 90 to 120 rupees, and like I said, Camel was on a flat 10% discount store wide. There was a wide spectrum of colors, as you can see. I usually purchase my paints from Camel or Montmartre brand, and that was on a good discount. Here comes a very interesting colorful section again. This is your pouring art section. If you're someone who likes to do a lot of abstract art and modern art using pour painting techniques, then they had a very good offering here as well in terms of pour paints, pour mediums, etc. They also had stacked upon some of very good colors in the Liquitex brand, and they had discount running of flat 20%. So usually I've never seen the store stacking upon Liquitex brand. This was the first time they had kept this in store, and I plan to buy some in the near future. As you can see, it was 379 rupees and there was a 20% off. So after discount it will come somewhere around rupees 300 for you, which is a good option considering investing in a Liquitex brand, because it's one of the very good brands for acrylic painting. So this is the Montmartre brand I was talking about, and there were a couple of other options in terms of pastel pencils, soft pastels, etc. The art supplies and the mixed media paste section was here. Your gessos, impastos, texture paste, your different brushes, etc. Your gesso mediums, your varnish sprays, etc. were all available here, and it was on a 20% off. The various paint brushes, as you can see, was available on a 20% off. The mixed media section, your gesso, impasto, modeling paste. So this was the paint pad section. I picked up one for myself. There was a huge discount, guys, store wide, and this is the resin section, which was also on a 20% off. It was a great time shopping in the store. You also visit the store and avoid some beautiful discounts for yourself. So that's it, guys, for today. Thank you so much for tuning to my channel and watching this video. Please do subscribe to Agile Art if you have not subscribed yet, and please do hit on the bell icon so that you do not miss any further videos from me. Also, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.